Meaning of heartily.
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 Heartily. Heartily is an adverb that describes how strongly or sincerely something is done. It suggests a genuine and fervent enthusiasm towards an action or feeling. When someone does something heartily, they do it with all their energy and gusto. They approach the task at hand with unbridled passion, making sure to give it their all. The result may be a job well done, a sense of accomplishment or satisfaction, or even a deeper emotional connection with the person or activity in question. Overall, heartily represents a wholehearted effort and a genuine commitment to success.